Alright, take that to Bruce and have him.
You can use it for bait.
That's a bait. That's a bait for the cat.
I'm good now.
Alright, let me take your picture.
Whoa! Here.
I'll hold that. Hang on to it, I'll be back.
Yeah, my damn worm though.
Oh. You want to kick it off that side?
Get you on back. Damn it. You just hang on a minute. Have a hold of it.
There you go.
Oh, you got one. Did you get a picture of him?
No, I got video though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got him on the way in. He was chasing after it. I just got there and pulled around him a little bit.
Anybody who wants it? Buddy.
Calm down.
We got it.
Look at that. Are you filming?
Oh wait, looks like you got him off.
The fish fell off.
Yeah, the fish is off.
Yeah, it fell out into the water.
Yeah, you just tangling yourself up more, it looks like. Yeah, you ought to cut it a little longer, take the other end and tie it to a tree over here so people come by here.
Gosh, calm down. I'm trying to get a different one.
Oh, I got a bunch more paper towels over here.
I caught me another fish. It's different.
You got it. Look at that. Oh, look at that one.
Gosh,
Yep.
I caught me
Alright,
one.
Walk it on back.
It's a brim.
Yeah.
Smallmouth bass.
No, I think it's a brim. Take it. Let me get that off.
How heavy is that?
Pretty heavy.
You want to be careful because that string will snap.
Try to lift it up.
Oh, you lost it.
No,
No.
it ain't.
No, you didn't.
There you go.
No, it ain't the same one. It's different.
It's a little bigger.
Alright, let me see it.
Oh, baby. Got some whole weight to it.
That's a big one.
Dragonfly on the end of
Yeah, it's alright.
So do I. Oh, wait, no. I thought he was talking about on the ball.
I don't really stay that very long. You do have one, don't you?
I'm going to go ahead and reel mine in.
Damn.
2 seconds in the water.
And you may already have one.
Oops, he does have one. Not going anywhere.
Woo!
Get a little closer, Bailey, so that way you can lift it up out of the water.
Come on!
Harley, bring me the pliers. Pliers.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Alright.
Oh, it's that guy again.
Yeah.
Getting a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger, it looks like.
Yeah, I know it. Come on, Bailey, reel it in. Come on. Hold it like this.
It let go.
Come on. Oh, it did.
Nope.
No, it's still there.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Keep reeling it in.
That's a big one.
Alright. Lift it up straight up. I'll get it with me. Come on. Walk backwards, Bailey. Bailey, walk.
Gosh.
Harley, you can give me pliers. You can be the plier boy, alright? Grab your pliers so we can.
I think you're catching the same fish back.
Yeah.
No, it's a fish.
Harley, walk to your right and see if you can unhook it.
And why is if it's a log, then
It
why
is.
is it swimming away from it?
It's a fish.
Dang.
Oh, it
That's
was
a
seaweed.
fish.
Yeah, it looked like it stayed still for a bit. Fish or maybe a turtle.
He caught one of the ones that I caught.
See?
Whoa. I wanted to
Jake's picture.
Oh, Harley.
They really go for
Pliers.
1 minute I
Oh, here they are.
left it.
Oh, it's right on the lip.
Yeah, it went right through the front.
The hook's rusted up.
Oh man, it cut the hook.
It broke the eye hole.
Yeah.
Alright, let me have that.
Yeah, I mean, get it, yeah, you know, you don't want to put them back in there with, there you go.
Alright,
Right,
there it goes. There it goes. Yeah. There you go.